Alright, today we're gonna unbox the Apple Watch version 5. This is just an unboxing. Pretty cool Apple Watch logo. This one right here. Pretty neat. You have the band and the watch itself. Pretty cool. Apple Watch logos all around the box. And you have your paperwork, box, charging cable, and power plug. And you get the watch itself right here. There you go. Then you unbox the here comes the bands, paperwork for bands. Apple getting all fancy on us. Paperwork for bands. Come on now. So there you go, telling you how to install it, how they work. You got the black one. Alright. So that's been the unboxing for the Apple Watch Series 5. Yeah, you can see right there. So, alright.